Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So Thanksgiving is all over. I hope you all had a great Thanksgiving, but what better way to kick this Christmas season off than to make some delicious sponge cake. So today I'm going to show you how I make my Guyanese style, super simple but yet delicious sponge cake. But before we jump into the video, don't forget to hit the like button, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Let's jump right in. Okay guys, so let's take a quick look at the ingredients. Today I'll be using some buttermilk. Now buttermilk is not traditional in Guyanese sponge cake, but I'm using it today, and you can use any milk of your choice. It doesn't matter. I have some all-purpose flour, some butter, vanilla, cinnamon, nutmeg, baking powder, some sugar, and some eggs. Now the first thing you want to do is combine all of your dry ingredients, the flour, baking powder, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Mix that well and set aside. Next you want to add your vanilla to the eggs. This will help to cut the raw taste in the egg and the smell. This will help to cut it. If you want, you can use lemon zest as well, but I don't want my cake tasting lemony, so I will not use that today. Then you want to add your butter to your mixer, or if you use a hand mixer, you can go ahead and combine the butter and the sugar and just mix that real well to combine. And yeah, that's basically it. Just allow this to go on low speed, and you can, bump the speed up and just let it whisk to a nice fluffy consistency. Occasionally you want to go in and scrape your bowl down to make sure that all of the mixture is getting well incorporated. So once the sugar and the butter is light and fluffy, you want to go ahead and just scrape the bowl down again, and then we will start adding in the eggs a little at a time. Don't rush the process. You want to add the eggs in a little at a time to avoid curdling. Once all of your eggs are added, this is the point where you want to start adding your dry ingredients a little at a time. You also want to add your milk a little at a time. This helps to well incorporate all the ingredients without over mixing. Now once all the ingredients are added into the bowl, you want to continue finishing it up by hand. Again, to avoid over mixing your batter. You don't want to do that, or your cake will become hard and dry. Next, you want to grease your baking dish or pan, and you want to preheat your oven to 325 degrees. You want to bake this a little slow and not too high. And you want to place your cake in there for about, let's say, 35 to 40 minutes, or at least until you stick a skewer in the middle and it comes out clean. After about 40 minutes, my cake is now done. It smells absolutely amazing. But first I'll allow it to cool for 10 minutes. Then I will remove it from the cake pan and place it on a wire rack and allow it to cool down some more. As you can see, my cake got beat up in that cake pan, but it's no problem. We'll work with it. Now I will show you guys what the cake looks like on the inside. Man, let me tell you, this is one of the softest, pillowy, melt in your mouth sponge cake I have ever made. Trust me, I don't know what I did different this time. Maybe it's the buttermilk, maybe it's the stand mixer, because I've never really used the stand mixer to make a cake. This is my first time, and it was so soft. I could not believe the texture. My daughter, she even said, "This is exceptionally good, Mom." And she's a hard critic. But yeah, it was so soft. This will be your new family favorite from this day forward. I just wanted to shout out the Thomas family Hope you guys are having a great day. Enjoy. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I will leave all my ingredients down in the description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching and enjoy.